New adventure. Since I sit in front of a computer all day, I thought, why not buy some land and build a house? Spoiler alert, I don't know how to build a house. But started, got one of these. First order I gotta do is build a road. Basically gonna be along here, across that ravine, and then over that little tiny hill next to the ravine, and on the other side of that little hill will be the house. It'll be a hangar home. There's a runway going along here. Pretty excited, pretty nervous, but I do have a secret weapon. All right, a little update. Got the culvert coupled together with use some tie downs for that. Got the brush cleared out to the ravine. Tractor is no longer blue, it's brown. And then for those interested in the size of this ravine, it is pretty big. It's gonna be a lot of work. Yeah. Pretty nice working till sunset though.